Hi everyone, if you are living in a tiny house or planning to keeping it well maintained is key to making it a cozy long-term home. Today, let's break down some essential tips to care for your tiny homes from the inside out. The first tips is about exterior care. Your tiny house may be small, but it still faces the elements regularly. Inspect the siding for cracks or mold and reseal any gaps to prevent water damage. If your tiny home has wooden accents, apply protective coating yearly to keep them weather resistant. The second tips is about electrical maintenance. With a compact space, electrical issues can escalate quickly. Ensure all wiring meets safety codes and check for loose outlets or flickering lights. If you use solar panels, clean them monthly and monitor battery storage efficiency to avoid unexpected outage. And the third tips is about plumbing checks. Tiny homes often have unique plumbing setups. Inspect pipes for leaks, especially in winter, to prevent freezing, and clean your water filters regularly. And if you have a composting toilet, follow the manufacturer's maintenance routine to keep everything running smoothly. And the fourth tips is roof and structural integrity. Your roof protects your entire home, so don't overlook it. Clean gutters seasonally, look for loose shingles and reseal seams. For the structure, check the foundation or a trailer frame on your tiny home for rust or wear, and tighten any bolts to keep it solid. The fifth tips is finishing touches. Wall, floor, and built-in furniture can wear out faster in a small space due to high traffic. Touch up in when needed. Oil wooden surfaces to prevent cracks, and reinforce hinges or handles that show sign of strain. The sixth tips is interior upkeep. In a tiny house, every inch matters. Declutter regularly, use moisture absorber to prevent mold, and organize storage space efficiently. Proper ventilation is a must. Open windows, use exhaust fan, and keep airflow steady to maintain a fresh, healthy living space. Okay, well, remember, a well-maintained tiny house is not just about aesthetic, it's about protecting your investment and ensuring a safe, comfortable home for years to come. Consistent care makes small living truly sustainable.